quick review for the BISSELL little green cleaning machine. I love this thing. I've used it quite a bit, and I originally got it for car upholstery and a fabric couch. I have a dog. Dog gets wet, dog gets muddy, dog gets on things it's not supposed to, and this was really helpful for cleaning that. Both of those use cases there, and then I've also used it on 2 rugs. I did an indoor rug and an outdoor rug. Definitely worth purchasing something larger if you're going to be doing rugs. A standing, actually the BISSELL makes a really good standing shampooer, but I wanted to try this on it. Just took forever. So pretty simple to use. It's first small, portable. Everything has a function. I mean, it all kind of wraps up nicely on this, so it's easy to store. The cord's long. You have 2 tanks. This is the fill tank. I just used it, so that's why it's wet. But you take that off. There's a fill line for the formula, and then once you fill the formula in, you fill it up to the water line. Put it back together, and then you put it back in its place. This side is the full dirty side, and it fills up as you're shampooing. You just take that out, dump it, wash it out a little bit, put it back in. So super easy. And then your wand here, it's got a brush on it. What I typically do is I'll spray it, let it sit there for a little bit, go back and spray a little bit more, use the brush, scrub a little bit, and then you hold the button again and you pull back and you end up sucking everything up. The one thing I'll note on this is you definitely should try to clean it after every use. Don't let it dry. You can't actually take this piece apart. So if you don't clean it, you end up with like all that crap in there. So anyway, this was 5 stars. Like I said, use it pretty often. I can't think of anything else to say because everything's just super positive. Thanks.
You go back over a clean side, you won't see as much dirt. You'll see liquid, but not so much dirt. And that's how you know if you've gotten it all. See? You're going to push and go to the new side. You see all the dirt. Okay.
like it wasn't expensive, so it's okay. So I'm real funny about cleanliness. So these shares have been in storage for 4 years, which makes me a little nervous about them. So I placed the Amazon order this morning. It was early this morning, and this arrived within a few hours. So I'm gonna give it a try, let you guys know how it works.